I'm Ortiz, and I'm a manager of digital product creation at Tapestry. It's a global house of iconic brands, Coach and Kate Spade.
Here at Tapestry, the digital product creation team supports product designers and developers during the physical product development process by creating highly accurate digital twins that capture our brand codes. Once approved by design, these digital twins support both product creation and manufacturing, as well as merchandising, marketing, and customer experiences across our enterprise. The use cases are limitless.
I've been currently working to Skillshare 3D tools with design teams.
It's been a really long time since I've been a beginner at something, but to see how incredible the 3D renderings can turn out has been very encouraging for me. I'm Lisette Seesholtz, and I'm Senior Director of Leather Goods Technical Design for Kate Spade. I see 3D models speeding up and accelerating our workflow and giving us concept validation upfront.
When creating a digital asset, we always start with either a hand sketch or a design card. Then we start creating the 3D model. And then once that model's approved, we get to my favorite part, which is visualization. I do this all in Adobe Substance Painter to create embroidery techniques or patches that I can apply to the bag. I really think this is where the product comes to life. You can add the textures, the deboss, emboss stamps. And then I send everything over to Adobe Substance Stager to render it as either a still or 360 animation. It's very crucial to achieve a photorealistic result. These assets we create have to be approved before they go on to being used in customer-facing activations.
We love using the Substance 3D asset libraries, and we love using the Kate Spade custom library that we built to reflect all of our materials and hardware perfectly so that anyone who pulls from that custom shared library can visualize a product and make sure that it's to standard and 100% accurate.
In order to create the soft Empire carryall,
I used a lot of Substance brushes to create that worn effect. I use alpha stamps and emboss deboss techniques to recreate those logos. And I also use painting and heights and depths to match or recreate that little bit of softness. My favorite feature within Substance 3D Painter is the Paint Along Path tool. I can recreate all of the stitches realistically.
Adobe Substance 3D helps us save time, it saves money, it increases sustainability, and connects us all throughout the globe so we can collaborate seamlessly.
I never thought I would be working in the 3D space, and Substance 3D has made it such a smooth transition for me. Becoming a 3D designer is a lot easier now with Substance 3D tools.